Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing very well. Last week I arranged an iftar party for my family and relatives, so thought of sharing a glimpse of what all I prepared and how I managed to make so many varieties with little pre-planning and some preparations for a smooth iftar. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. On the actual day of iftar, after my Zohar prayer, started preparing biryani first. So this is chicken biryani. My family loves to have biryani. Have already shared several biryani recipes on my channel. Will share the link in the description. You may have a look. After preparing the biryani, prepare chana masala. This is Lahori style Kali Miri chana masala. This again prepared on the day of iftar. The main purpose of making this video is to share useful tips and planning ideas on how you can host a get-together and prepare several dishes with easy planning. Moving ahead, next prepare dahi vada. For this I soaked dal in suhoor time, that's after my morning prayer. As the dals were well soaked for a couple of hours, simply grinded them to fine paste and fried them until they turn golden and crispy. A quick tip while frying vadas, always keep flame on medium-low and let the temperature remain same throughout for even cooking. This is really soft and fluffy vadas. With proper time management and planning, you may make several dishes for any get-together, hassle-free and relax-fully. You can see how beautiful and fluffy the vadas turned. Now just strain them and drop them directly in water. Allow it to soak for at least an hour or more, then squeeze gently as shown. It's a really soft vada, as you can see here. Now to this pour the dahi, that sweet yogurt mixture, and refrigerate for at least 2 to 3 hours. And just before serving, you may garnish with your favorite sauce or chutney. So here I have used tamarind chutney, green chutney, some roasted crushed spices, save, and garnish with coriander leaves. Serve and enjoy chilled. It was really yummy. Next, prepare chicken malai tikka. The marination for this I did in the morning itself, wherein into a boneless bite-sized chicken pieces add yogurt, cream, pepper and other spices and kept in refrigerator for a good marination. And in the afternoon, simply into a skewer added the pieces and onions or any veggies you can add of your choice, then place them again in refrigerator for setting well. With this I went to take some rest, prayed Asr and then just 2 hours before iftar started to fry all the prepared snacks. Firstly into my cast iron pan shallow fried chicken tikka and simultaneously on the other side gonna fry the spring rolls. So these are the chicken egg spring rolls, gave a unique shape which kids loved and was a treat to an eye. And it tasted equally good. Now since spring rolls take a while for preparation, I prepared a day before and kept it in freezer and just fried them. And along with that prepared mutton spring rolls. This is normal in shape which I hope everyone knows. If you want to know how to prepare spring roll sheets at home, I have already shared a detailed video on my channel, you may have a look. Moving ahead, went to shallow fry the kebabs now. So these are the chapli kebabs which I prepared in the morning and kept for setting in the freezer. You may also prepare a day in advance if you want. A quick tip to make perfect chapli kebab is always allow it to set in the refrigerator before shallow frying. Recipe shared in detail on my channel, will share the link, you may have a look. So here I prepared 2 variety of kebabs for iftar. So these are the chicken aloo kebabs. This recipe is also shared, will share the link. I did not shoot a detailed video for each recipe as this will make the video too long. Also most of the snacks I had already posted. We'll share the link in description, you may have a look, and for some we'll share a separate video. A little planning and some pre-preparations makes hassle-free cooking and saves lot of time. Lastly, just before iftar, freshly prepare 2 drinks. This is dates milkshake, a very refreshing healthy drink. You may also prepare drinks in advance if you like. And along with dates milkshake, I also prepared fresh mango juice. Just added ice cubes and served chilled. With this, all my cooking was done just 30 minutes before iftar. Set them all on a dastarkhan, that's a table mat neatly, made lots of dua for all of us and had a relaxing iftar. So this was my first iftar video on how I arrange get-togethers during Ramadan. Hope you liked it. For more such videos, do stay tuned with Nisha Thaju and remember all of us in your duas. Assalamu alaikum. Thanks for watching.